Hi there, students. An emetic, a noun or an adjective. So, an emetic is something that makes you vomit. So the doctor, if you've accidentally taken something that's poisonous, the doctor will give you an emetic, something to make you vomit, to make you puke, to make you heave. Yeah, to make you toss your cookies, to make you chuck up. There are a million words to make you spew. There are a million words for to vomit. So an emetic is something that makes you vomit. Um, that's pretty clear. But notice you can also use this uh, word figuratively. Yeah, I would use it in a joking in a rather joking fashion. So the emetic qualities of his poetry mean I can't listen to more than about 30 seconds of it. The soppiness and the slushiness of the movie was just so emetic that I had to leave the film. I couldn't keep on doing it. Yeah. Um, do we have to suffer more of his emetic company? Yeah. Um, this person is like an emetic, and I'd rather that he wasn't around. Okay, so an emetic, yes, something that causes vomiting, but as well something that's extremely unpleasant. Yeah, I would use this word as a sarcastic metaphor. Yeah, the word it's emetic itself. This is very technical pharmacology, a medicine that makes you vomit. For example, I think it's a tartar emetic. It's a pharmacological product. So I would probably give it something like a 7.5 in formality. It's something a doctor would say, but I think you could use it anywhere. If you're making a joke about something, you're saying it's just so unbearable it makes me want to vomit. Notice we can use this word emetic to mean something that gives you nausea, nausea when you feel really sick and you want to vomit. Yeah. So it's saying that something is nauseous. Yeah, it really makes you want to puke. Okay, so yeah, the thought of studying all night acts as an emetic, and I just end up saying I'm not going to do it, and then I fail the exam, of course. Okay, so yeah, his emetic character is something that I don't like. Yeah, his emetic character means I don't want to be near him or close to him. So seven in formality if you're using it technically, but as a joke or as a fun metaphor, I think you could use it anywhere, despite its formality. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin emeticus. Well, it comes through French from Latin emeticus, which itself comes from ancient Greek emetikos. Vomiting or sickness. Yeah, from emeo, to vomit. Okay, so emetic. Yeah, this word's been around and with us for a very long time. So I hope this video did not act as an emetic and that you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed it, give it a video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Emetic, an emetic, the emetic qualities of something.